One of the things I'd like to ask is how each of you came to be in the field and what brought you to become a therapist.
Well, I am a graduate of the community mental health program here at CIIS. It was really the youth from my own community that inspired me to get my master's degree and become a therapist. Probably 17 of my focus group had witnessed some violent crime. I was working at Alameda County with transition age youth, and they kept asking me, Rachel, why can't you be my therapist? Because they wanted a therapist who would believe what was happening in their communities. This is Rachel Pepper. We were in the same cohort together. So Channing is in the ICP program, graduating in May. There really wasn't another program like the community mental health program. It was designed to work with people who wanted to work in public mental health, not necessarily to become a private therapist, and that was exactly what I wanted to do. Also, I was working full-time and I'm a single parent. It just worked for my life. The clinical training that I received here was perhaps the most rewarding. I got a chance to work at a housing site here in San Francisco for formerly homeless families. There was one client that I worked with who was in her 80s, and so just working with her around end-of-life issues and transitioning in her consciousness, so that was really enriching. The students that this program attracts are amazing, so I learned as much from them as I did from the faculty and from the readings and even from my clinical experience. Some of the people that I was in class with are now supervisors, hiring supervisors, and so I can tap into that network. There's a date that everybody's degree gets conferred. Since I've graduated, I was called to be the director of the Mental Health Services Act grant here. A lot of them are the hiring supervisors, and that's my proudest achievement here at CIIS because I've been helping to launch the careers of other students. I couldn't imagine getting my master's degree at any other school. I felt like I could bring my full self to the classroom, that I didn't have to leave some of my identities behind, and that's what made the cohort experience so rich.